It's not rules I have an issue with. We all know we need regulations to keep us in line. It's some of the people enforcing them rules.
Hi, Daddy.
Good morning, sweetheart. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, you off to school?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna miss you.
Okay.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye, sweetie.
It's amazing how an otherwise decent human being changes once you put him in uniform. Been like that all throughout history.
Hey, good buddy, have you got your ears on? The chicken coop has got the welcome sign on. They jacked me up in Colorado. Gotta check us out, cause that's a motto. Mr. D.O.T. I'm not alone. Mr. D.O.T. No charges are minimal. Yes, they are. Move it!
Get the hell out of here! I gotta take a look at this. Come on, get out of here!
They got me stopped, it's on my dime. Checking my books, and it's a fine line. Truth be told, as a matter of fact, oh, I'm all jammed up from the Highway Act, oh no. Mr. D.O.T. I'm not Mr. D.O.T. Your charges are minimal. Yes, they are. So, my truck and my papers are in order. Let's see if they say so across the border. I hope my things are all intact, oh, before they read me the riot act.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You got a light out here!
Mr. D.O.T. I'm not a criminal. Mr. D.O.T. Your charges are minimal. Yes, they are.
Don't move, son! Father!
Now
Hey, Sonny, your rear light's flickering.
What do you got going on in here, huh? What is that? Huh? What is that? Get out of here! Come on, I'm trying to work.
Put your hands up, boy! Come on, come on!